Hey everyone, it's Mom Hack Monday, and I am here with you this evening to give you a great respiratory support rollerball recipe. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make a very small rollerball, if you'll see, and it is perfect to throw in your purse to be able to take with you wherever you need to go. We're gonna do a blend of RC and Raven, and these are the two oils that I've highlighted and talked about where they have the different types of eucalyptus and other components to it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. And I'm just doing 10 drops of each because it's a very small rollerball. And so this is great for respiratory support if you have a nagging cough, and that's kind of what I've had lately, is this cough that just I feel like comes out of nowhere, and you just really need to clear it. Sorry, I can't count and talk at the same time. But this is going to be perfect, and you'll just apply it on your chest, and you can apply it to the tops of your feet, which is VitaFlex Point. I'm adding coconut oil, and I'm actually using a pipette this time because of how small the rollerball is. I tend to overfill and make it so it spills everywhere. So these are cool little things that you can do. A lot of the smaller rollerballs that you buy on Amazon will come with a pipette to add to it. I'm just going to apply the top. And again, I did 10 of RC and 10 of Raven. This is all for respiratory support, open up your airways, really help with inflammation in your airways. That is what this recipe and this rollerball will do. Hope you have a great rest of your Monday. I'll see you Friday. Bye.